Hello guys, this is the sixth video of JS logic building series, and here now I have taught too much about number strings, and we are moving with numbers. Okay, uh, this problem deals with calculating the sum of all the digits of numbers. Here you can see three digits 1, 2, 3. The problem states here to find the sum of all three digits, which is 6. 1 plus 2 plus 3. Uh, so this is a very famous question asked in interviews too. If you are a fresher, uh, let's solve this. Okay, I will be using a while loop and uh, using it till number is greater than 0. Now, what should be the logic thinking about this? Okay, so the logic should be first I have to get the digits one by one, and then I have to keep removing those digits. Okay, so in maths there is one very cool trick here that we are going to use. We are going to get the last digit of the number every time in the loop. So how are we going to get that is the question. Whenever we divide the number by 10, we get the modulo or the remainder as the last digit. This is the rule. You can try it anytime. Like first time when we will do divided by 3, sorry, divide the number 1 to 123 by 10, we will be getting 3 as the reminder. Okay, so you can do it this on pen paper. Okay, uh, now whenever we are getting the last digit, we are adding it to the sum. Let's create one more variable called sum. Sum is equals to sum plus last digit. Every time we are going to get this last digit, we are going to add it to the sum, and then we are going to remove that variable like last digit. For in the first iteration we are getting 3. Let we will be adding sum with 3, so it will be 3, then we will be removing 3, then it is 12. Again we are getting 2, 3 plus 2 5, and then we are removing 2. At last it is 1 left, so what we are going to do is add 1 and remove it 2. Okay, and then we are going to come out of the loop. Now the question is, we picked the last digit, we added it to some total. Now we have to remove that last digit from the number and update this number variable. Again we have a rule in maths then that whenever we will be dividing the number by 10, this time we are dividing it to remove the last digit. Okay, only drawback is that we can get a decimal here, so we have to floor it, pick up the down value. Now when we will be consoling the, sorry, sum is, we are getting 6 as the solution, which is correct. I can even log the last digit for much more clearance. When you will be doing it on pen paper, then you will be getting a much broader idea. And this is a very important step, which is updating the number. This is one of the very important, I'm writing it, very important step to remove it and avoid the decimal place using floor. Let me log in again. So you can see the last digit in the first iteration was 3 and the updated number we got is 12 because we removed the 3 by dividing it by 10. And in the second iteration again, we got the last digit as 2 and updated number as 1. And again we got the last digit as 1 for the last time and updated number was 0 because when we divided 1 by 10, so it was 0 point something, and we floored it, so it got back to 0. And then we are having the condition that number should be greater than 0, which was not true for the last iteration, and we came out of the loop and we printed the sum. So that's it for this video. Happy coding.